Kia ora tamariki mā, how are you guys doing lockdown? Hope you guys are doing well. Today I thought we would read two books. So first, He Hanuati, Sandwich. Okay. Oh my, te parawa, pass the bread. Oh my, te pata, pass the butter. Can you see her? She's holding the butter. Yeah? Okay, what else? Oh. Oh my. Te retihi. Pass the lettuce. Oh my, te meaty. Oh look, what have we got there? We've got some meat. Looks so good. Put on the sandwich as well. Oh my, te tihi. Look, pass the cheese. They're putting the cheese on the sandwich too. And oh my, te tomato. Putting on the tomato. Nice. Who likes tomato on their sandwiches? I do.
Me?
Te reka. Yum. Can't buy. What's your favourite thing to put inside your sandwiches? Yeah? What else would you like to put in? Oh, yum. My favourite, I think, has got to be Vegemite and chips. Not everyone likes Vegemite, but hey, aha. You like Vegemite?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Okay, so we've got one more book. Ngā Tai. Colours. Sorry, Tori's just kicked the ball. I thought it was going to come over here.
Same.
Okay.
Right, it was going to hit my head.
Okay. He peita whiro me te kōwhai, ka puta te tai karaka. So red and yellow make orange. You see that? Yeah, if you mix them together, you get orange. He peita kahurangi me te kōwhai, ka puta te tai kakariki. So if you put blue and yellow together, you make green. Clever, eh?
We kicked the ball on top of the tree.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's off the tree branch. She stomped on it and landed in the tree.
He peita whiro me te kahurangi, ka puta te tai wai poroporo. So if you get red and blue, mix it together, you get purple. He peita whiro me te mā, ka puta te tai mā whiro. So if you put red and white together, mix it up, you get pink. There you go. He peita pango me te mā, ka puta te tai kiwi kiwi. If you put black and white paint together, mix it up with your hands, you get grey. And ko ngā peita katoa. Look, you guys are all painting. They're all painting. Ka puta te tai paru paru. Look, they've mixed up all the colours together. Can you see? Yeah? Awesome. Can't wait. So we thought we'd come out to the beach today and just relax. The kids are playing up the hill, playing inside the trees. And yeah, this is our view. I'll show you our view. There we go. We're at Blockhouse Bay Beach at the moment. I thought we might as well come out while we've got beautiful weather.